Okay, so let's look at number 1. So number 1 is 63 plus 28 plus 79. So first, 63 plus 28. So 3 plus 8 is 11. We add the carrying here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we add the 79 to 91. So 1 plus 9 is 0. We add the carrying here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 plus 7 is 17. So number 1 is 170. Let's look at number 6. So this is 52 plus 27. So 2 plus 7 is 9, and 5 plus 2 is 7. We add the 36. 9 plus 6 is 15, so we add the 1 on top here. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So number 6 is 115. Let's look at this. Let's look at number 1. So it's saying 746 minus 458. So this turns into a 16. This turns into 13. And this turns into a 6. So this is 16 minus 8 is 8, 13 minus 5 is 8 again, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So 74 minus 458 is 288. Let's look at another example. Let's look at number 9. So it says 921 minus 452. So this is 11. This turns into 11 as well. And this turns into 8 because we did this, so this will be an 8. 11 minus 2 is 9. 11 minus 5 is 6. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So 921 minus 452 is 469. Going on to the next page, let's look at number 1. So it's saying 225 times 75. Or 22 times 75, sorry, my bad. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we're going to add the 1 here. 2 times 5 is 10 again, plus the 1. So that's 11. Now we're going on to the next unit here. We're going to the tens place, so we have to add a 0 here. So 2 times 7 is 14. We're going to ignore the one we put earlier, and we're going to put our new one. So 2 times 7 is 14 once again, plus 1, which is 15. I'm going to add a 0 here, just so we know that there's nothing up there. So when we add it, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So number 1 is 1,650. Let's also look at number 3. So if we remember our 0 rule, we can just multiply 27 times 3. So let's do that first. 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21, so we can add the 2 here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And because we had that extra 0, we can add it back in there. So that means the answer also has a 0. So 27 times 30 is 810. Going on to the last page, let's read the question. So, Billy read 2 books. He read the first one in 1 week with 45 pages every day. He read the second book in 12 days with 54 pages every day. So what is the total number of pages that Billy read? So we know that the first one he read 45 pages. The second one he read 54 pages. So it's just giving you extra days, but it's just asking what the total number of pages he read are. So we're going to add 45 plus actually, what we're going to do is we're going to write 45, and he read the first one in 1 week, so that's like what, 7 days. So we're gonna multiply it by 7. So this is 35. 28 plus 3, 31. And if this one is too hard for you, like if it's too hard for you to understand, I can always go over another one. Like we can look at example, let's see. We can look at example 2. So John had $200 to buy drinks and sandwiches for his birthday party. He bought 5 small boxes of drinks at $12 each box and 8 boxes of sandwiches at $9 each box. How much money was left after this shopping? So he had $200 in total, and he bought 5 small boxes of drinks at $12 each box. So to find out how much 5 boxes were, if 12 is 1 box, we multiply it, and we know that that is 60. And we know that we do the same with 8 boxes, $9 each, which is 72. So we know that that was the total for drinks and sandwiches. So we add that. That was the total. The total he used for drinks and sandwiches is the sum of this. So 60 plus 72. If you don't know that, you can always do it on the side, but we can do it for you real quick. Plus 60. Oh, that was kind of bad. Plus 60. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. So it's 132. But we wanted to know how much was left. And he had $200 in total, and he used 132. So how much does he have left? So we can subtract it. So this is 10. This turns into a 10. This turns into a 9. And this turns into a 1. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So we know now that John had $68 left after shopping.